Understanding out of the gate, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, out of the gate. This is a commonly used expression in English, and understanding it can really help in grasping the nuances of the language. So, let's dive in and learn together. The phrase, out of the gate, originates from horse racing. When a race begins, the horses are released from their starting gates. This moment is full of energy and anticipation. Similarly, in everyday language, this phrase is used to describe the very beginning of an activity or process, emphasizing a strong or notable start. Now, let's discuss the meaning and usage of out of the gate. This phrase typically implies a strong or impressive start to an activity. For instance, if a new company is successful right from its launch, you might say, the company was profitable right out of the gate. It's important to note that the phrase can be used in various contexts, from business to personal achievements. Let's see some examples to understand it better. 1. As soon as the debate started, she was impressive right out of the gate. 2. Their new product was a hit out of the gate, exceeding all sales expectations. 3. He struggled with the new software out of the gate, but quickly adapted. These examples show how versatile the phrase can be in different contexts. It's easy to confuse out of the gate with phrases like off the bat or from the get-go. While they can sometimes be used interchangeably, out of the gate specifically emphasizes the energy and dynamism of a beginning, often in a competitive or challenging context. Thank you for watching. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, out of the gate, confidently in your conversations. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and you're doing great right out of the gate. See you in our next video.